Hi, my name is Eli Thompson. I work for the Wm.T.Spaeder company, and today we're going to be talking about Visuallive, which is an augmented reality software that we use on construction sites to help visualize our models that we make in here in the office on the actual job site. So what it allows us to do very easily is it takes QR codes like this, we can put them on the job site, it scans them, logs into the software super fast, and then we can actually project the model that we made here in the office onto the job site, and we can have a little overlay and mesh of the actual reality and the model. And there are a lot of other augmented reality softwares out there, but we chose this one because it has a lot of very cool options that we're going to be talking about today in this review. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the iPad over to a QR code on the floor, and I'm going to scan it, and it's going to pop up with an axis, and I'm going to confirm that. And once I do that, it's going to overlay the model and the real world, so I really get the augmented reality effect that we're going for. So as you can see, the axes pop up, and then once we hit confirm, everything is nice and aligned on where it would actually be in the building. So here we're currently looking at the model of the building, and as you can see, the door itself on the model is not aligned where the door is in real life. And that's just because I forced some drag by walking around the building to showcase this cool little tool that they have called the drag tool. So what I can actually do is I can move the model up and down in the Z-axis, and I can actually move it in the X and Y as well to help correct it and put it back where it's supposed to be in the actual real space. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to navigation mode, which is just another cool little thing that they have that allows you to kind of step back from the augmented reality and look at a model just in a normal kind of CAD view. So what we can do here is we can look at the install tracking, the layers, and the issue tracking. So whenever we're looking at the layers, I can toggle pretty much everything that we've put inside of this building. So I can toggle off the windows, I can toggle off the walls, I can even toggle the doors. And this can be beneficial whenever you're on a job site, so you won't see unnecessary things like unnecessary mechanical equipment, pipes, ducts, and other things like that. So we're going to look at the install tracking. So whenever I start it, it's going to pop up with a few different colors. So the orange is denoting things that haven't been installed in the building. So whenever we tap on them, they'll turn green. And that's saying that those things were recently installed. And once you upload the report, the objects that were denoted green will turn blue, and that'll then say that they have been previously installed. So I can actually toggle all of those things. So I can see the things that are not installed, I can toggle the things that have been previously installed, and I can toggle the things that have been most recently installed. And the other really cool thing about the install tracking is they have it paired with whatever cloud service you're using, so that you can go onto that cloud service and pull up a spreadsheet which will have all of the dates and times for the things that you've uploaded. So I can see when mechanical equipment was uploaded, when ducts were installed, and all that other kind of cool stuff. So it allows you to keep a better timetable on a job site. The last thing that we're going to talk about is the issue tracking. So if I want to capture an issue, I can then click on it, and it just takes a little screenshot of wherever I was looking. And I can actually highlight issues. So say this wall is in the wrong spot, and I can then upload it to whatever cloud service I use. And that way I can make comments on it, and then other people in the office or on the job site can see, hey, yeah, that wall was in a wrong spot. We'll have to correct that down the road. Thank you for joining us today at this demonstration. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you are interested in Visuallive and their software, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks.